Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Solange Mariani is your realtor in Houston. Call 832-309-6874 to start now. Outstanding home on large, cul-de-sac lot. Gorgeous entry to open floor plan with high ceilings and private study with French doors. Outdoor covered patio. Stunning kitchen with stainless steel appliances, spacious granite countertops, breakfast area. Game room upstairs. Large master bedroom downstairs with his and her vanities. Home zoned to top 3 elementary schools in Houston, quick walk to Tupelo Park and a 2-minute drive to Rob Fleming Aquatic Center, YMCA and HEB Creekside Village Green.